Hello and welcome to the Helix Bioscience Institute, translational science at the nexus of biology, engineering, and computation. My name is Dr. Stephen Munevar, and I am the founder and executive director of the Helix Bioscience Institute. Over the next few minutes, I will introduce you to our efforts towards revolutionizing science and medicine and better bridging research bench to patient bedside. Let's begin with a little bit about the Helix Bioscience Institute, or HBI. HBI is designed to be a not-for-profit translational science research institute. Here we will apply a multidisciplinary, synergistic approach utilizing biology, engineering, and computation to translational science. The institute will be a combination of virtual, computer-based platforms supported by web resource tools, and traditional brick-and-mortar facilities. Together, the goal is to drive the translation or the transformation of research into applications, therapeutics, devices, and tools that can better address unmet healthcare need. HBI's pathway to translation will focus on three key processes: data mining and analysis, hypothesis building, and experimental testing. Together, these will seek to better bridge basic research to preclinical and ultimately address unmet healthcare need. If we begin with the process of hypothesis building and data mining, HBI will utilize a novel correlation search technology employing social network analysis algorithms. These web-based search tools will allow HBI researchers to find hidden relationships in unstructured data and from large data stores. Areas where this correlation technology is currently working are the life science space, legal, defense, as well as law enforcement. Developing the hypothesis is only the first part of HBI's translational pathway. Next, we will leverage the power of computation and modeling to optimize hypotheses developed following data mining. In this way, we will be able to virtually predict reality. We'll be able to explore very large solution spaces, develop predictive models capable of answering questions and allowing us to virtually test hypotheses before engaging them in the laboratory, and optimizing experimental designs and protocols, thereby minimizing resource use, reducing experimental time, and increasing information output. Now, where virtual impinges upon reality is during experimental testing. Hypotheses need to be borne out through experimental analyses, and this is where we will utilize novel, real-time outsourcing tools to experimentally test hypotheses developed by HBI researchers. Shown here in this recent headline, Assay Depot, one of our HBI strategic partners, had recently developed for AstraZeneca a private research exchange. Quoted here, the Vice President of Discovery and Sciences for AstraZeneca, Mike Snowden, he noted that by connecting their internal and external sciences, the virtual laboratory platform that was created would be a new approach for their scientists to run experiments with an optimal balance of speed, quality, and cost, which we also seek to achieve at HBI. The virtual laboratory will enable HBI researchers to search for lab services and vendors, connect with experts, purchase services, rate and review services from anywhere there's internet, that is. So taken together, HBI's translational platform constitutes large data sets Through mining large data sets, HBI researchers will seek to develop novel translational hypotheses. Those hypotheses will then be optimized using computational analysis and modeling, and they will be tested using real-time outsourcing wet bench resource tools. In addition to this, HBI will seek to develop strong collaborative relationships with area universities and research laboratories so as to further extend the power and capability of our translational science efforts. Beyond the realm of life science, the power of virtual can be seen across a variety of verticals. In these three examples, I highlight three virtual-focused organizations that I feel exemplify the changing paradigm in technology and information transfer. Foldit is an online protein folding gaming company which recently provided insights that solved the structure of the enzyme involved in the reproduction of HIV. Foundation Medicine, a biotech company using next-generation sequencing with complex genomic research to help doctors provide better treatment solutions for their patients. And lastly, Coursera, a social entrepreneurship company enabling professors to teach thousands of students online for free. These examples exemplify the growing power of virtual and act as an example for where and how HBI seeks to leverage our resources. So what's ahead for the Helix Bioscience Institute? Our near-term roadmap includes launch of HBI, funding through our first milestone, recruitment of the first cohort of HBI research scientists, and the beta platform for translational science research at the Helix Bioscience Institute. These milestones, although lofty, are within our grasp, but only with your help. Please make a contribution today in whatever amount you feel comfortable and support a revolution in science and medicine that will better bridge bench to bedside. In closing, I'd like to thank our strategic partners who have worked hard with us to help bring the Helix Bioscience Institute to life. Minerva & Associates, Court Square Group, iQuest Analytics, Science Shaping Our World, Assay Depot, Bioassay Link, Cadre Research Labs, ePowerhouse, Exemplar Companies, as well as many others. But most of all, we'd like to thank you, because with your help and support, we will be able to transform Helix Bioscience into an engine for translational science, better bridging bench to bedside. Thank you.